Welcome to the best picks. The best oil cooler is probably one of the most crucial upgrades for any vehicle, especially if you're pushing your engine. Overheating can lead to serious engine damage, and an oil cooler helps regulate oil temperatures, ensuring your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Mishimoto Oil Cooler, exploring its features, benefits, and why it might be the perfect addition to your car. Number 5. Mishimoto Dodge Ram Cummins 2500-3500 Transmission Oil Cooler. Keep your Dodge Ram Cummins running cool with this Mishimoto Transmission Oil Cooler. It's designed for the 2500 and 3500 models from 2003 to 2009. This cooler ensures optimal performance. This cooler is specifically engineered to fit all 2003 to 2009 Dodge Ram models with 5.9L and 6.7L Cummins engines. It's a perfect fit, ensuring easy installation and maximum efficiency. The design features a 159% increase in fin surface area. This enhancement significantly boosts the cooling capacity, keeping the transmission oil at the ideal temperature. It includes a fully serviceable thermostat. This feature allows for fast warm-up in cold climates and constant cooling in hot climates, ensuring optimal performance in any condition. The stacked plate design provides tough and reliable cooling. This robust construction ensures durability and long-lasting performance, even under demanding conditions. This product comes with Mishimoto's lifetime warranty. You can have peace of mind knowing that it's built to last and backed by a trusted brand. What we like. This oil cooler features a fully serviceable thermostat, ensuring optimal performance in both cold and hot climates. It's designed with a massive 159% increase in fin surface area for superior cooling. If you frequently drive in extreme temperatures or tow heavy loads, this cooler will keep your transmission running smoothly. What people say. Works great and the fittings work fine that come with it. Easy installation and I'm running around 40 degrees cooler on average, which is phenomenal. The core is well built and much beefier than stock. Installation was a breeze. Number 4. Mishimoto Ford Powerstroke 6.0L Oil Cooler. This is the Mishimoto Oil Cooler, designed specifically for the Ford 6.0L Powerstroke engines from 2003 to 2007. It's a direct fit replacement, ensuring easy installation and optimal performance. Over time, the stock oil cooler can become clogged or start to leak, reducing engine performance. This Mishimoto cooler replaces those issues, restoring the engine's efficiency. The kit includes high-quality seals and O-rings. This ensures a leak-free fit, giving you peace of mind and long-lasting performance. For even more protection, combine this oil cooler with the Mishimoto Coolant Filter Kit and Catch Can Kit. This will help to extend the life of your engine. Mishimoto stands behind this product with a lifetime warranty. This demonstrates the confidence in the quality and durability of the oil cooler. What we like. This is a direct fit replacement for your Ford 6.0L Powerstroke, designed to renew performance. It comes with high-quality seals and O-rings, guaranteeing a leak-free fit. If you're experiencing issues with your stock oil cooler, this is the perfect solution to restore your engine's efficiency and reliability. What people say. Comes with everything required and works well. Have put a good amount of miles on it since the install and oil temps are the same or better than the OEM piece. Installed this Mishimoto oil cooler on my 2004 F250 6.0 diesel. This cooler was a third of the cost of an OE replacement. So far my deltas are good at 9 to 11 degrees and no signs of leaks or issues. Quality product, no leaks or problems installing. Number 3. Mishimoto Universal 19-Row Oil Cooler. This oil cooler features 19 rows of stacked plates, designed to significantly reduce fluid temperatures. It helps to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. This is a great upgrade for any performance vehicle. The cooler's dimensions are 12.95 inches by 6.44 inches by 1.97 inches. This size ensures it can effectively cool the oil without taking up excessive space. Its compact design makes it versatile for various applications. The core size is 11 inches by 5.43 inches, providing ample surface area for heat dissipation. This design maximizes the cooling efficiency of the unit. It ensures the oil stays within optimal temperature ranges. It features -10 and inlet and outlet fittings for secure connections. With 19 rows and a core thickness of 1.97 inches, it offers superior cooling capabilities. This setup ensures efficient oil circulation and heat transfer. You can choose from sleek silver, stealth black, or bold gold to match your style. This allows you to customize the look of your engine bay. It's a perfect blend of performance and aesthetics. This product comes with a Mishimoto lifetime warranty, ensuring its quality and your peace of mind. The warranty protects you against any defects. It's a testament to the product's durability and reliability. What we like. This universal oil cooler offers optimal fluid temperature reduction with its 19-row stacked plate design. It's available in multiple colors, allowing you to customize your engine bay. If you're looking for a versatile and effective cooling solution for various vehicles, this is a great choice. What people say. I was able to reduce my oil temps in this turbo car from 230F down to 200F. Just make sure there is good air flow coming to the oil cooler. In my history of using multiple Mishimoto parts, I have never had any problems with their hoses and this oil cooler. The 10 and fittings are durable and rated up to 300F temperature. Have a oil-cooled turbo on a Toyota 86 and this keeps it under 200F with very hard street mountain road driving with multiple poles. My Ford 351 Windsor would run really high oil temps, 280 degrees. I installed this cooler along with Mishimoto's oil thermostat and now it hits 180 degrees and stays put. All fittings are in 10 which can be somewhat pricey for the fittings and hose, but it made installation easy as pie. Number 2. Mishimoto Ford Powerstroke 6.4L Oil Cooler. This is the Mishimoto replacement oil cooler, designed specifically for your Ford 6.4L Powerstroke. It's a direct fit, ensuring easy installation and optimal performance. This cooler will help keep your engine running smoothly. Is your current oil cooler clogged or leaking? This Mishimoto cooler is the perfect solution. It replaces the stock cooler, restoring your engine's performance and preventing potential damage. We've included high-quality seals and O-rings with the cooler. This ensures a leak-free fit, giving you peace of mind. You can trust it to keep your engine protected. For even more protection, consider pairing this oil cooler with the Mishimoto 6.4L Powerstroke Coolant Filter Kit. Together, they provide comprehensive protection for your engine's vital components. This product comes with the Mishimoto lifetime warranty. It is a testament to the quality and durability of the product. You can be confident in your purchase. What we like. This is a direct fit replacement for your Ford 6.4L Powerstroke, designed to renew performance. It comes with high-quality seals and O-rings, guaranteeing a leak-free fit. If you're experiencing issues with your stock oil cooler, this is the perfect solution to restore your engine's efficiency and reliability. What people say. Looks, works, and is as good as the OEM unit. Plus it has a lifetime warranty. Works great. Does what it's supposed to do. Perfect fit for my 2008 F256.4 LSD. Always trust Mishimoto parts install like OE. Number 1. Mishimoto Oil Cooler Kit for Nissan 350Z Infiniti G35. Keep your engine running cool with this Mishimoto Oil Cooler Kit. It's designed specifically for the Nissan 350Z and Infiniti G35 coupe models. This kit ensures optimal performance and longevity. This kit is a direct fit for 2003 to 2007 Nissan 350Z and 2003 to 2009 Infiniti G35 Coupe. Installation is straightforward, and it integrates seamlessly with your vehicle's existing systems. It's designed for easy installation. The kit increases oil capacity by 0.65 quarts. This added capacity helps maintain consistent oil pressure and temperature, especially during demanding driving conditions. It's a great upgrade for performance enthusiasts. Featuring a 19-row stacked plate oil cooler, this kit reduces fluid temperatures effectively. Expect a temperature difference of approximately 25 F, which helps prevent oil degradation. This ensures your engine runs smoothly. It includes a billet aluminum oil sandwich plate, available in standard or thermostatic form. These high-quality components ensure durability and reliability. This kit is built to last. This product comes with Mishimoto's lifetime warranty. You can have peace of mind knowing that it's covered against defects. They stand behind the quality of their products. What we like. This oil cooler kit is a direct fit for your Nissan 350Z or Infiniti G35 Coupe, increasing oil capacity and reducing temperatures. It features a 19-row stack plate design for optimal cooling. If you like to push your car hard on the track or enjoy spirited driving, this kit will help protect your engine from overheating. What people say. Easy to install and everything, plus it looks fantastic with an exposed front bumper. Keeps temps a lot cooler and looks nice through the bumper. Direct fit, took about 2 hours max for the install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.